Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BNB from Arculus Wallet to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, withdrawing your Binance coin, BNB, securely is crucial, especially with enhanced features like biometric authentication and AI-driven transaction monitoring that Arculus and Gemini now offer. Whether you're cashing out for everyday spending or portfolio management, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app updated to the latest 2025 version on your smartphone or device. It's packed with new security upgrades, so open it up and log in with your biometric scan or PIN for that extra layer of protection. Step 1. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard. You'll see a list of your assets. Find and select BNB from your holdings. This is where you can view your balance and kick off the withdrawal process. Step 2. Hit the Withdraw or Send button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. For Gemini, you'll need to copy your Gemini wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address to avoid any mishaps. 2025's smart verification tools will even scan for errors. Step 3. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so keep an eye on those to maximize your transfer. Then, review the transaction summary, including gas fees and estimated arrival time, which is super fast thanks to upgraded blockchain tech. Step 4. Confirm the transaction with your Arculus security method, like a fingerprint or Face ID. Once approved, sit back as the transfer processes. In 2025, you can track it real-time via the app's integrated dashboard. Finally, once it hits Gemini, log into your Gemini account to confirm the deposit. If you run into any issues, Gemini's AI chat support is a game-changer for quick resolutions. And there you have it. Your BNB is now in Gemini, ready for trading or withdrawal to your bank. This process is not only secure but also user-friendly, making crypto management a breeze. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and happy trading.